We have all been there, searching forever for a visual or a graphic and finding nothing good. Or worse yet, everything costs money. These 5 sites fixed all of that for me. They are all free and, more importantly, safe for commercial use. First up is Pixels. This is one of the most popular free resource sites out there, and for a good reason. Everything on here is completely free and you can use it for personal projects, business, social media, YouTube, anything you name it. I'm searching for photos here, but I want to mention that Pixels also has free videos. I just didn't show that today cause I forgot to record it, but it's there and it's worth exploring. Next is Pixabay, and this one stands out because it's not just photos. You've got photos, pictures, illustrations, and video footage all in one place completely free. And it covers basically every type of project you can think of, whether that is social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, flyers, presentations, anything. I'm grabbing a video clip here to show you that it works, and just like that, it's downloaded and ready to use. The variety on this site is what makes it special. Whatever you're working on, there is almost certainly something here that fits. Clean PNG is different from the others. Everything on this site already has the background removed. So you're not getting a photo, you're getting a cutout element you can drop straight into any design without any extra work. If you ever need to add something on top of another image without dealing with backgrounds, this is the first place to check. Texture Labs is one of my personal favorites. These aren't photos or graphics. These are overlays specifically designed to go on top of your designs to add mood, depth, and texture. Things like grunge effects, halftones, light leaks. You download them and layer them over whatever you're working on, and it instantly looks more intentional and professional. And I also just discovered something on this site. They have a tutorials page where they actually teach you how to use these textures. They are genuinely useful, so that's a bonus on top of the free assets. Last one is Graphic Burger, and this one is a little different from everything else we've looked at. This site gives you ready-made mockups, meaning you get pre-built scenes where you can drop your design and see how it would look like in real life. If you ever need to show how something looks in real life without actually printing or producing it, this is where you come. The quality here is really high and it's all free. For everything you are seeing here is Photopea, the free Photoshop alternative. It's completely free, runs in your browser without registration or login. If you are not familiar with it, I have a whole channel dedicated to it, so feel free to explore. And if you found any of these sites useful, or if there is one you already used that I missed, drop it in the comments. Let's share the knowledge. By the way, if you want to take your Photopea skills further, I put together a free guide. It's packed with tips, shortcuts, and highly recommended sites, and most of them are completely free. I also included direct links to every site in the guide so you can check them out easily. Just click the link in the description to grab the free guide. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.